Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sanjeev P. Sahni presenting to you another episode of JIBS Infotainment series. Today we will discuss about the changing perception of the future workforce. We are going through a fundamental transformation in the way we work. Automation and thinking machines are constantly replacing human effort, changing the key skills that organizations look for while hiring. These momentous changes pose huge challenges, especially at a time when businesses are already struggling with unprecedented risk, disruption, and socio-political upheaval. According to PwC survey, 37% people feel excited and see the world full of possibility, and another 36% feel confident that they will be successful in the near future, whereas 18% feel worried and nervous about the uncertainties, and another 8% feel uninterested to not think too far ahead. So 74% are ready to learn new skills or retain themselves in order to remain employable in the future. The mega trends are the tremendous forces reshaping society and the world of work include global economic power shifting between developed and developing countries. 2. Rapid advances in technological innovation, like 73% people think technology can never replace the human mind, and 37% are worried about the automation putting jobs at risk, and another 60% think few people will have stable long-term employment in the future. The changing demographics, which is size, distribution, and age profile of the world's population, rapid urbanization by 2050, the world's urban population will have increased by 72%. Resource scarcity and climate change, demand for energy and water is forecasted to increase by as much as 50% and 40% respectively by 2030. Another study conducted by a German Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs analyzed that impact of technologies such as artificial intelligence on the workforce and how it influenced the outlook of workers towards the future. Is a BMAS 2016, and this study reported that only 13% considered it likely for their work to be replaced by machines in the future. Low-skilled workers did not appear to be more concerned about the negative effects of automation. Almost 30% of employees reported physical relief due to technological innovations. Another part of this study was that about 1/3 employees described experiencing greater freedom of decision making. More than 50% felt that their productivity had increased. So, almost 80% employees recognized the need to constantly develop their own skills as a result of technological changes. Understand how artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation can benefit their business and enhance productivity and focus on more value-added tasks. 2. Hire trained, experienced, new-age talent who can focus on companies' future and drive in that direction. 3. Eliminate any barrier to decision-making process or hierarchy that delays innovation. 4. Use sophisticated workforce planning and predictive analytics to plan for talent pipelines. Unbundling and rebundling work to raise company efficiency and increase white-collar or middle-skilled jobs. 5th, redesign traditional one-size-fits-all HR programs and policies. Employees enjoy family-friendly, flexible hours, hybrid model, location flexibility, bonus and benefits, and an encouragement to participate. They need fair treatment in terms of pay, policies, ethics, and in return are expected to reflect the culture of the company in their approach and behavior. Helping people help themselves, which is skill development incentives. Work out where you can fill the gaps or where manual labor can't be replaced. Employees need specialism or expertise in new age technologies and a special focus on career development with skills such as adaptability, problem solving, emotional intelligence, research, risk management, and STEM skills. Few pivotal people with outstanding management skills demand higher rewards. Another thing, like-minded workers aided by technology gravitate towards each other, sparking bubbles of innovation. Another one, projects flourish, evolve, and resolve quickly, and specialists move rapidly from one to the next. So that's it for today. Keep liking and sharing our channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.